Hey guys, I'm Nisha Homi. Today I'm sharing healthy smashed potatoes roasted on the tawa. No oven is needed to make this healthy smashed potatoes. It's an excellent healthy appetizer, and if you allow the smashed and roasted potatoes to cool down and then enjoy, it becomes a good source of resistant starch. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the recipe. I got some tender organic potatoes and I thought I'll show you how to make smashed potato recipe. To make smashed potatoes on the tawa, I'm boiling some water in a saucepan. Once the water starts to boil, I'm adding in 8 small tender potatoes. Add in 1 tablespoon pink Himalayan salt. Give it a stir. Allow the potatoes to get cooked on medium to low flame until the potatoes are fork tender. Meaning when you poke the potatoes with a fork, the fork should pass through the potatoes. It should take about 10 to 15 minutes. It's 10 minutes now. Let's check whether the potatoes are cooked. So I'm inserting a fork through the potatoes, and as you can see, it didn't go inside all the way through, so that means the potatoes are not cooked, so it may need another 5 minutes. Another 5 minutes later, let's check on the potatoes, and as you can see, the fork passed through the potatoes, so this is what is called fork tender. Now the potatoes are nicely cooked, so I'm going to transfer to a strainer. Transfer the potatoes to a sieve. Cooking time of the potatoes will depend upon the type of potatoes you are using. Make sure you use tender small potatoes so that it cooks in just about 15 to 20 minutes. Cooked and cooled potatoes are a good source of resistant starch. Resistant starch helps feed the good bacteria in your gut. Studies have shown that resistant starch can help with weight loss, benefits heart health. It can also improve digestive health, blood sugar management, and insulin sensitivity. Cooked or boiled or roasted and cooled potatoes are a good source of resistant starch. So do not fear potatoes as much as you do. Just cook them, boil them or roast them and enjoy them. I'm getting the other ingredients to roast the potatoes. So I'm roasting the potatoes on a tawa. This is a cast iron heavy bottomed tawa, and I'm roasting it on the stove top. You can also do this process in an oven, but today I'm showing you how to do this process in a tawa on the stove top. I have not heated the tawa, and into that I'm adding in 2 tablespoons wood pressed groundnut oil. Instead of wood pressed groundnut oil, you can use any locally sourced wood pressed oils of your choice. Into this I'm adding in freshly ground black pepper powder, 1.5 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder, 1/3 teaspoon turmeric powder. Today I am using Vigon turmeric, which has high curcumin content. Also note that when you are using turmeric, you need to add in at least a fat pinch of black pepper powder to help the active ingredient in turmeric, known as curcumin, absorb faster into your body. Half teaspoon jeera powder, also known as cumin powder. This is roasted jeera powder. 1/3 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder. 1/3 teaspoon pink Himalayan salt. Remember, there is already salt in the potatoes as the potatoes are cooked in salted water. And now give this all a nice mix. Make sure that the masalas are well mixed into the wood pressed groundnut oil. Add in the strained and cooked potatoes. Coat the potatoes in the oil and masala mix. Once the potatoes are coated with the masala and oil, you need to smash the potatoes, and for that you can use a katori or the back of a glass or a potato masher. Just make sure that it has a flat surface so that you can smash the potatoes into the pan. Press it down and you can see that the potato is smashed. You can also use the bottom of a glass to help it mash, but I personally prefer to use a katori. And the last one. Allow the pan to get heated up. Once the tawa is heated, reduce the flame to the lowest and allow the potatoes to roast on one side. It should take 5 minutes on each side to get the potatoes roasted. Once the potatoes are roasted, it will be crunchy and super yummy to taste. It is an excellent healthy appetizer. And 5 minutes later, carefully flip it over. Once the potatoes are turned over, allow it to roast on that side for about 5 minutes. 5 minutes on each side is ideal. Remember, cast iron are heavy bottomed, hence it retains more heat. Also, cooking in a cast iron helps in better iron absorption. So try to cook at least one of your meal in a cast iron cookware for better iron absorption, especially if you have iron deficiency anemia. Because the potatoes are cooked in salted water, the salt will really get into the potatoes. So when you add extra salt when roasting the potatoes, add accordingly as per your taste. 5 minutes later, this side is also well roasted. So I'm flipping it over again. I'm sprinkling in some coriander leaves for some added flavor and color. And now it is ready to serve. You can enjoy this as a healthy appetizer. Because the potatoes are cooked with the skin on, once roasted, this will be very crispy and amazingly tender and juicy. Crispy on outside, juicy and tender on the insides. So guys, do try this healthy smashed potato roast and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.